Welcome to the best picks. The best baby laundry is probably one of the most important investments you'll make as a new parent, ensuring your little one's clothes are not only squeaky clean but also gentle on their sensitive skin. This video will dive deep into the world of baby clothes washing machines, helping you navigate the features, benefits, and considerations to find the perfect machine for your precious bundle of joy in your busy lifestyle. We will explore various models, comparing their functionalities and highlighting key aspects to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W Washer. Say hello to convenient laundry. This compact washer is perfect for apartments and small spaces, giving you the freedom to wash clothes whenever you need. It features 5 wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and silk. You can customize your wash to suit different fabrics and levels of dirt. It offers 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads up to 6.6 pounds. It uses cold water only for energy efficiency. The durable stainless steel tub is rust and corrosion resistant. Plus, the transparent lid lets you keep an eye on your laundry. It has auto unbalance detection for peak performance, an auto shutoff for safety, and a child lock for added peace of mind. Move it easily with its 2 roller wheels and side handles. It's perfect for apartments and easily stored away when not in use. What we like? It's compact and perfect for small spaces. It offers multiple wash cycles to suit different fabrics. If you live in a small apartment or dorm and need a convenient way to wash clothes, this is the one for you. What people say? It washes clothes remarkably well, delivering clean and fresh results every time. It can hold a surprising amount of clothes for its size. I can get maybe about 3 to 5 full outfits in the wash depending on the type of clothing. The spin cycle also works great and leaves the clothes already fairly dry, which helps since I just hang dry them afterwards. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer. This BLACK+DECKER portable washer handles up to 11 pounds of laundry in one go. It's perfect for apartments or anyone needing a compact solution. It features 6 wash cycles: normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only. You'll find the perfect setting for every type of clothing. Choose from 3 water levels and hot, warm, or cold water temperatures to customize your wash. It also has a 24-hour delay start option. The durable stainless steel tub is rust and corrosion resistant. Plus, the transparent lid lets you watch your clothes get clean. It includes auto unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and a child lock for added safety and peace of mind. 2 rollers, side handles, and adjustable leveling legs make it easy to move and position. A connector adapter, water supply hose, and drain hose are included. What we like? This model boasts a larger capacity, handling more laundry per load. The multiple cycles and temperature options give you greater control over the wash. If you need to wash larger loads and prefer temperature control, this is a great option. What people say? It washes clothes remarkably well, delivering clean and fresh results every time. It can hold a surprising amount of clothes for its size. I can get maybe about 3 to 5 full outfits in the wash depending on the type of clothing. The spin cycle also works great and leaves the clothes already fairly dry, which helps since I just hang dry them afterwards. The machine can hold a significant amount of laundry for its size, 15 pounds, which is why I purchased this. It is notably good quality and smart looking, so it does not look out of place outside of a closet, in the open, as pictured. Spin cycle is great and leaves clothes very dry. It came with all necessary attachments to have this up and running in 5 minutes from opening the box. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER BPW30MW Washer. Say hello to convenient laundry. This compact washer fits perfectly in apartments or small spaces, making laundry day a breeze. It features 6 versatile wash cycles, from delicate to bulky items, ensuring your clothes are always clean just right. Choose the perfect cycle for your laundry load. This washer offers 3 water level options to match your laundry size, saving water and energy. Select the level that best suits your needs. With its stainless steel tub, it's built to last and resist rust and corrosion. The transparent lid lets you easily monitor your laundry. It includes safety features like auto unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and a child lock, providing peace of mind while cleaning your clothes. Move it easily with its 2 roller wheels and side handles. It's perfect for apartments, RVs, or anywhere convenient laundry is needed. What we like? It handles even larger loads than the previous one, saving you time and effort. The inclusion of hot water washing is a significant advantage. If you have a big family or need to wash bulky items, this is the best choice. What people say? It washes clothes remarkably well, delivering clean and fresh results every time. It can hold a surprising amount of clothes for its size. I can get maybe about 3 to 5 full outfits in the wash depending on the type of clothing. The spin cycle also works great and leaves the clothes already fairly dry, which helps since I just hang dry them afterwards. Number 2. Super Deal Mini Washer. It's small, lightweight and highly portable. This washing machine easily connects to your faucet and is ready to use. Wash and spin dry simultaneously to save time. It's perfect for small loads and gets your clothes sparkling clean. It provides the best rinsing results without wasting water. The deep rinses ensure your clothes are thoroughly cleaned. It features separate timer controls for washing and spinning. Simply set the timers and start washing. It's made with high-density plastic and an upgraded motor for long-lasting use. Its compact design makes it ideal for small spaces. This space-saving machine is ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, or camping. It's easy to move and transport. What we like? This twin-tub design washes and spins simultaneously, saving you time. Its small size makes it ideal for limited spaces. If you value speed and efficiency above all else, this is perfect for you. What people say? The spinner did a far better job than I expected. Obviously the clothes are not dry, but they don't have much water left in them, unless it's like a towel. Very impressed with the spinner. It does get unbalanced sometimes, of course, but you get the hang of it. So far at least this has not been a problem. Also, I have found that if I press firmly on the lid of the spinner, the balance issue often resolves itself. My clothes get clean. The spinner does a great job. It's neither loud nor quiet. It is easy to change the length of time for washing, rinsing, and spinning. Number 1. ZenStyle Portable Washer. It boasts a powerful 1300 RPM motor, ensuring your clothes are thoroughly cleaned. Yet, it operates quietly, so you won't be disturbed. This machine offers separate timer controls for washing and spinning, allowing you to customize your laundry process. With its practical twin-tub design, it washes and spin-dries clothes simultaneously, saving you valuable time. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorms. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to move around. Simply load your clothes, add water, set the timer, and start washing and spinning. It's that simple. It's ideal for dorms, RVs, camping trips, or anywhere you need a convenient washing solution. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like? This twin-tub washer is also compact and efficient, but with a quieter motor. It's great for small spaces where noise is a concern. If you need a quiet and efficient washing solution for a small space, this is a good choice. What people say? The machine overall is pretty quiet. It met those requirements. The spin dry gets the clothes mostly dry, so air drying doesn't take too long. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.